ongle time we can full Barclays back to back, or full UBS Arena back to back, or when an artist go to prison and come back.
So Foota, I want to ask you a question. Why do you take out of you for just tell Vybz Kartel congratulations instead of you come with your all kind of phone because him there prison for much years and Buju do it and that? Brother, just be real with life and just tell the man say yo, congrats.
It's a great weekend for reggae music. Wicked Heart feel it. Bad mind, sorry for you.
I believe the Bahamas should be just as influential as Jamaica. And what I mean by that is I'm Bahamian Jamaican, and I can see from both sides. I lived in the Bahamas and the US, so I can see from both sides. Jamaica is very influential on the world. Like, I'm talking like past the Caribbean. And I feel like the Bahamas should be on that level.
Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to Tea Time with T. In today's video, we'll look at Foota Ibe's review. He said that the only reason why Barclays Center was sold out is because Vybz Kartel went to prison. He also was comparing Vybz Kartel's show with Buju Banton and said that it's only because they got jail and come back, and if people will want to see them, that's why the stadium full. Anyways, we also have Nico Fire that clapped back at him. We also gonna go over what's going on with America and Trump and the tariffs and the Chinese, basically a fire back. We have a lot to get into. Oh, there's this man that says that Bahamas should have been just as influential as Jamaica. We have a lot to get into. So if this is your first time on my channel, subscribe, leave a comment, and share. Check out this video.
True to myself. Okay? Me have to be honest. What happened last night and night before last night is great for the culture. Big thing for dancehall culture. Big thing for Jamaica. Now, we have to appreciate the confidence where Kartel and him team having of themselves. See? We have to appreciate the newfound confidence where we funds them. The people them were like dancehall, the new drive here, the new confidence here, where them having at the product. See? Remember, and not just the artist do it, the fans them have to get respect to come out and pay the money for the product. Back in the days, the fans them never have the ultimate confidence here to come out and show where it's only a dancehall artist or a Jamaican artist depend. Usually it would have a full rapper advertised. We not talk about who just pop up and come sing a song already. Usually it would have to advertise with some big rapper, some big international acts. This now is a new wave. We are going for Jamaican music and Jamaican culture, and we have to appreciate and respect that. So that are the first thing more I highlight. What happened night before last night and last night is humongous for the culture. See? It's also following on the inception of this type of behavior by Buju. Me see some people that say, take Buju out of it. We have to be realistic. You cannot take Buju out of it. Me even see someone that say, Buju a reggae artist. Buju is not a reggae artist. Buju is a reggae artist and a dancehall artist. And he may even dancehall artist before him a reggae artist. You understand? So, me no want compare, and at this point, me no want compare, and me no want, oh, this, that, and cut the neck and cut the neck. Buju started, Kartel keep it up. It's amazing. It's amazing. I don't want nobody a short change Buju, then I act like a Kartel alone do it. No, a the culture do it. And then we have to remember, because remember, Uno ask me for talk, you know. So me I got talk, you know. Zine, me I got talk. Big up bag of British. Uno ask me for talk, so I'm going to talk. And I'm not going to talk, cause me not kiss ass, me not kiss nobody ass, and me not look no favoritism. Me have my own bad man, my own boss, my own general, me do my own thing. Zine? What we must remember, while we are compare everybody, this is greatness, you know. Buju do it, greatness. Kartel do it, greatness. But we have to address the elephant in the room. The elephant in the room is this reality where we have to take into consideration. Buju Banton did 10 years in prison. Vybz Kartel did 13 years in prison. That empty void for these two giants create one big awareness and one big hunger to see them. I'm not Kartel, but I say see them. Remember that good enough. So this prison time and this exit from visibility and from us going to shows to see them create, you call it supply and demand. So this demand, Zine, is a hunger to see them. Great enough. But me still not satisfied with the culture yet. Me want the culture to be able to do this without nobody going to prison. Understand what me I say now? We can't go set the tone now. For say, the only time we can full Barclays back to back, or full UBS Arena back to back, or when an artist go to prison and come back. Me not like the narrative there. Me not like the narrative there. Me not want it be our portfolio, our go-to for ram venues. Or when Ninja Man come out, he might get a visa and come and then ram back Barclays. No. We want it to happen every night.
Nika Fire did not agree with him. He said, if you're going to give a compliment, don't give a backhanded one. Just say it and shut up. But don't hear it from me. This is what Nika Fire had to say in regards to what Foota Hype just said. Check this out.
So Foota Hype, I want to ask you a question. Why did I take out if you just tell Vybz Kartel congratulations instead of you come with your all kind of phone because him there prison for much years and Buju do it and that? Brother, just be real with life and just tell the man say, yo, congrats. 2 days, you sell out the stadium back to back. Enough artists never do that yet. In a history, a long time something that happened. No dancehall artists never do that yet. What make you just can't just tell the man, yo, congratulations. Not true, you be in the man a part, you can just be real and be real with life. And I know the funniest part too, fun fact. Your baby mother, which is Aishana, they run Vybz Kartel and she performed a Vybz Kartel show before. So Vybz Kartel must pay her and give her money. And you have a youth with her. You don't feel like the same money with Vybz Kartel give her help your youth. Brother, you have to stop bad mind, brother, and give Caesar what you to Caesar.
Is there anybody from Bahamas in my comment section? This guy seems to think that Bahamas is or should be just as influential as Jamaica, and he's going to state the facts as to why he thinks so. But before we get into the clip, make sure you like the video, leave a comment, subscribe to the channel, and check this out.
I believe the Bahamas should be just as influential as Jamaica. And what I mean by that is I'm Bahamian Jamaican. And yes, I have a American accent because, you know, I did live in the US. So I'm qualified to speak on it. I can see from both sides. I lived in the Bahamas and the US, so I can see from both sides. Jamaica is very influential on the world. Like, I'm talking like past the Caribbean. And I feel like the Bahamas should be on that level, because if not, we're like the top 2 best tourist destinations. But I noticed Jamaica, their influence goes way past tourism. I lived in the US, and anywhere you go in the US, no matter what state you in, what city you in, no matter where you at, you could always find a Jamaican restaurant. You could always find a Jamaican restaurant, or always find it, no matter what state you in. But you will be lucky You'll be lucky if you could find a Bahamian restaurant. You'll be lucky. In the US, the only thing people know about Bahamas is it's a vacation destination. That's all they know. That's all they know. The culture doesn't transcend past the Bahamas. You go to Jamaica and you will never hear Bahamian music in Jamaica. You will never hear it. But you come here and that's all we listen to. You get what I'm saying? Like, so the way of life is better in the Bahamas than Jamaica. The way of life is better, but their culture is so massive. It's like they're worldwide. They're more than just the Caribbean.
Do you agree with what he says? You guys let me know down in the comment section. By now, I'm sure everyone has heard about the tariffs that Trump has placed on Jamaica, China, and other countries. Now, China said, we no afraid of nobody. And this is what's been going on. Check this out.
So now we know why America really didn't want us to see what they was doing over in China. And if you don't know, click the search bar and see how China just froze America, that designer that you've been spending your money on, $200,000, $300, $400, $2,000, $3,000, $4,000, all of your hard-earned money basically been going to knockoffs, if that's what y'all want to call them, Canal Street specials, if I might say. China is basically saying that your favorite designer gets their bags, their clothes, their shoes made in China, not Italy. So when you're thinking you get enough finest threads, you get them from China. And now China is saying that they got them for the low, like they've been had them, but they're just not keeping a secret no more. So what they're saying is that designer that we've been wearing, they've been making, and they make it for cheaper, and we might as well not buy that designer that we've been buying. It's kind of strange to me because a lot of people have been losing their lives to get designer. It's a lot of people that lost their lives over design. And you're telling me that China's been making it. All I could say is this trade war is exposing the rail from the fake and fake from the rail.
They probably should have took this app away when they had the chance, because the Chinese manufacturers just hit them folks with the Uno reverse. And right now, the Chinese manufacturers are the best content on TikTok. They said, oh, tariffs, you say? Oh, okay. American people, y'all said y'all like New Balance, Adidas, Nike, bet. Oh, yeah. The manufacturer is such and such, located at such and such in Guangzhou. They do shipping within this time, and here are the products. I've seen the manufacturers for every brand anybody could possibly think of, from shoes and apparel to beauty products. One of the Chinese manufacturers said, oh yeah, you know how you pay such and such $100 for Chanel beauty products? Well, we only make them for $10. Listen, I don't know how this tariff thing is going to play out, but the way that the Chinese manufacturers are playing their hand, absolutely well done. 10s across the board. I told y'all in the years that I lived in China, I got everything under the sun because everything is pretty much made there. So to see people learning about the actual quality that's in China, because not everything is made cheaply, and learning about websites like Taobao, y'all better get to getting while the getting is good.
Will you guys be running in on these sales that's going on? Let me know down in the comment section. Make sure you like the video, subscribe to the channel, leave a comment, and check this out.
Yeah. Drake send this, him say, congrats Kartel. You sell out Barclays twice. Back to back like I'm at the cover of Lethal Weapon. Back to back like Jordan 96, 97. Who said that? One Drake. Fully. Drake production. You good?
Welcome home, brother.
Thank you, man. Enough love and respect, Drake. Enough love and respect. Yeah, man.
Last night looked crazy. Tonight's night too, right?
Yeah, tonight's night too, so I'm here already, so. One of your engineers, I saw him, he was like, yo, Drake, ready? I'm like, tell Drake I'm readier. Get it? Readier. Yeah.
Yo, best of luck tonight. Yo, that's just so you know, it's family forever.
I know that, man. I know that, man. Respect, Drake. Respect.
Respect to you. It's everybody there. Trust
you know now?
Had the hand delivered.
Yeah, it was hand delivered. Yeah.
We appreciate it. Love.
That's cool, I'm a G, man. Yeah, man. Big up yourself, you know.
Yes, sir. Have a great show tonight. Show the face. Love.
Thank you, man. OBO. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Woof, woof, woof. You see it now? You know now?
So after Foota Hype voiced his 2 cents on the Vybz Kartel show, comparing both Buju and Kartel, talking about the whole prison situation, trying to discredit, greatness between the unity of the show. Surprisingly, Buju Banton, he indirectly addressed it. Check this out. This is what he said.
Me at the bank of the beautiful river. When I will sit down and discuss these matters. What a rascal, come on, out of the cold. Now the sun is in full control. It was a great weekend for reggae music. Wicked heart, feel it. Bad mind, sorry for now. But this is I, man. See? Rough. Beautiful river. And I sit down and discuss this matter. John dead.
That's it for now, guys. Thanks for watching. Make sure you like the video, leave a comment, subscribe to the channel, turn on your post notification bell so you don't miss out on my latest upload, and I'll see you next time. Bye.